What's up, guys? In tonight's video, we're going to be swapping out the C6 base calipers for the Z51 calipers, and they're powder coated a custom color. So let's jump into it. What do you guys think it is? Essentially, all the Z51 brake upgrade is a more aggressive pad and bigger rotors. So I did the Z51 brake upgrade and got them rebuilt and powder coated. And this is what they turned out. I love them. But I wanted to get this video completed so I can show you guys the next mod I have on deck. You guys be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and leave a comment below what you guys think, how it turned out. We're going to do some bonus content of a cold start with just the SLP exhaust with no tips.